David, I really need to ask you about in, on, and at.
Ah, the prepositions. Tell me, what is confusing you exactly?
Honestly, everything. Why on the bus, but in the car? It makes no sense.
I see. You feel like there are no rules. Well, stop guessing and stop memorizing lists. Today, you will understand the logic with 3 simple images: a dot, a line, and a box.
I'm ready. Teach me.
Let's start with a common mistake. Try this. I will see you Monday morning.
In Monday morning,
Not quite. It's on Monday morning. Think of days as surfaces on a calendar. Any day uses on. On Monday, on my birthday. On April 5th.
okay. Surface equals on. What about transport?
Think. Can you walk on it? If you can stand up and walk down the aisle like a bus, a train, or a plane, it's on. If it's a small space where you sit down, like a car or a taxi, it's in, like a box.
That makes so much sense. So, on is for surfaces and lines, and in is for containers or enclosed spaces.
Exactly. In is for big containers of time too. In June, in 2024, in the morning.
What about at? Is it the scary one?
Not at all. Think of it as a tiny dot, a specific point.
Like a point on a map.
Yes, at 8 o'clock, a point in time. At the bus stop, a point on the street. At the door. If you say Main Street, it's a line, so on Main Street. If you say 500 Main Street, it's a specific house, so at 500 Main Street.
And what if I'm inside the house?
Then you are in the house. You're a genius, Sarah.
Let's do a fast drill.
Ready? Birthday.
On, it's a day.
8 p.m.
At, it's a point.
The kitchen.
In, it's a room box.
Oxford Street.
On, it's a line.
You've got it. Let's apply this to a real scenario. Let's plan a meeting.
Great. Hey, are you free on Friday?
Yes, I'm free. There is a concert in the park.
I love the park. What time?
It starts at 6 p.m. Let's meet at the main gate.
Perfect. I'll park my car on 2nd Street and then take the bus.
See you on Friday at 6 o'clock. One last tip. Technology. Screens are surfaces, so we are on the internet, on a website, or on a laptop.
What about in time versus on time?
On time is the schedule. In time means early enough. You arrived inside the box of available time.
This is so much better than memorizing lists.
Exactly. Don't think about grammar. Think about the picture in your head. Let's summarize for everyone. At is a point. On is a surface or a line. In is a container.
Thank you. This was the best lesson ever.
Wait, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one final foolproof trick. Whenever you're unsure about which preposition to use, whether you're writing an email, texting a friend, or speaking in a meeting, don't panic. Just pause for 1 second and visualize the shape of your thought. Ask yourself, is this a point on a map? Then use at. Is it a surface you can stand on, or a line like a street? Use on. Or is it a container or a closed space that you can step inside? Use in. If you master these 3 simple mental images, you'll stop second-guessing yourself. And your confidence in English will skyrocket. Grammar doesn't have to be a list of endless boring rules to memorize. It's actually just about how we see the world. We really hope this makes your next conversation feel a lot easier. We had so much fun breaking this down today, but we want to hear from you now. We're going to be reading the comments, so please leave your own example sentences below, using in, on, and at. If you enjoyed this visual way of learning, let us know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Until next episode, keep practicing, keep visualizing, keep improving your English. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.